Jana tiang kamal, jana ba kamal, jana war kamal. According to what is, Jay kamal. Add by the way, one. Especially in Tintakobasi. Take a tour by to go to Bakan here. Man but talks in the yam. Palo war ka messenger. Ka good man. So, Namachi first time the ballad. But point, Guy, we are tired. Okay? And let you da. Chiran bedet ka Africa. She will shed a lot. But we're sick and tired. So, dupsi akagarian. She kon gagada. Palo biana mai ka bongo messenger. We are sick and tired. Okay? We are sick and tired. Kini huge. Spalla obiana mai ka messenger. Nene shauran. Nene pikir ke la ko commentin beringa inbox. Biben jaka torku, biben jaka guri da konte kel. And then brand right bumang at can any show do. And Dungman di janela nyinge wooden a way. Dungman. Ki yena kon manatalo di wunda nyinjin. A yena kon manatalo di wunda nyinjin. Work con man tin. They would nying a wood quick a queeran. Ko she kon manami the nega quan nura. Con money long round work on no table. A me, Madam go, a me is a show the shoot. Cut it sweet at each jam the camnial. So, Indian children like a mine now come messenger. Why you know, okay, try now, my messenger. Don't do a win. And Karaquanka, shing on lottery. Shing on lotto, longer. Okay? Shing machine don't come along now. Not a walk on. Well, now, monkey. You teach 20 virtual don't be win 100. We're not doing gambling here. A lie. And go shy, she was even not gonna more carrying kind of con. Bring her on. And can Gwen. Go, Reggie. And she knocked. She didn't go to the wreck. While Jellica foreground, but with a young at work. Cool, go to the Banganta la judge. And then Brudunban. And she be a duck. And she need to carry any shaman while Daggy in homelessness. To sing tears and cheer Blanco, you don't have a job. And you're not in the school. So, Jacka hunting go to one to take a yo, take a hunting go to monitor a yo. Be I were around coming up. She be a duck. She need to care and share money as soon as I allow. And then in Hebrew, be all like be a hearing a pipe and good opinion can book and then we are heard together. This thing we sick and tired of them. Okay? Please. I'm not looking for a relationship. I would have forced yesterday because I'm sick and tired. And I probably Ladin in a quarter a color can belly. She are quarter. She not a kind of work gym. Mugur wouldn't me like a gym they're here with me. Okay? You get a beer tour got in kun. Cacao don't bang without clothes. No good and wouldn't take a 6-pack, yeah? Bye. ba ka pon pam mon da di ni ke ba kam ni jen ba kam ni la di ni ka chop ko su go la na ni zen ke jen. Stop disturbing me. I'm not looking for any man. Try not to disturb. Dov kun chia garient. There are you go me sijin. Ka gore chek ba long gore. We are sick and tired. Ka kaine kun. Every udun man kwa jigo ni chi wo gore la chek man gan ka. Gore no ba kon afford. Mi ci kon mi jek ngeen kon gaw ba palwa ci neegu la rek mi ci ngi rek da ka petit and then yora yam yora lo ngal lol yer bo ki mi ci gor bi ban wel bi palwa mi rek ma tod. Stop giving us headache. Kan man kun to kwa singa kwa lai dun bi alien. We sick and tired. De la yenga de place and she disturb come my messenger. Okay, tell away. I think you don't yen room gwan yin ga messenger. La ko ya bana jega maka ne ka ba ko ka kwin. Me busy. Me and busy ba kam nyal kwin. Stop sending your picture to me. So Siara keep a job sugar con. Okay? Many am kind of kun. You guys lie too much. Okay? Me you wouldn't be honest, me go recheck. Katika check or take a man. Be honest. When you know he did not lie to me. And that's what I laugh about him. You did not lie to me. Chera la da fully and would me take a goal. Come knock it. And then just I didn't never win. Okay? I say yes. Telling her issue. That's why I don't have issue. But biaran kulu biaran kai in the first place. I check the channel takel and check the chadak. As soon as she imagine and chiran enter. We check up a runi check the kanyandak. Do you know how that do you know how that feels? It's very terrible. Because you lie to her. She doesn't check. And then after that, we check up a check. And then we are all united, a job. We have been disappointed. And then we feel stupid, look stupid enough. Come here. Kia lang you know to go along it and it's a less young yan show near my show look. Try would shoot at the local. Like seeing the other, she wouldn't, they would have looked no so you go take a chip. Look in a kite. Don't lie. Simon couldn't deny. She should deny. The special tin go on and tin go back a bill up. They're the one who lying. Okay? Tin go back a build up. Those who are looking for somebody to build them up. They lie too much. They are lying too much. 100% they lie. And I don't respect those men. Be a man. Lara nakajiga takishek. Nakajiga sala door. But nakaji. By not carry it good. I will not because you lie. By not who you are. A con man ago. Melanie will not knock Africa because they can work. Garden in Kun and Indian, but they don't match. Tell you let come. Me let alone. Don't be young 1,000 a month. Let's say, me let it long. Should have long be young 1,000 a month. Yeah? 1,000 you run in 2 days or 3 days. Especially if you have a 2 job. In 2 weeks, like, you have 6,000. Call like you, the Kayo fund, Dandy. You open the bucket. Jigni within 2 weeks. Yan ganin taka parliament. Ntangwa. I'm sorry. Ngoda kuni yu kundokul. Chini yinda ko tega me benefit me. Baram ma ko tok de. Chini go to yo. Chini go to rom nei. Tel tenura go nei ga ye. Tel down go nei ga ye. But don't lie. Stop hurting her. Kan then bit ya wa bene go re hiek. Go re hiek. Go re wa yu go nyung. You ruin their nonsense. Especially useless. You can long 99% of them. They are useless and they are very lucky. Sorry to say that word. But you do they are useless. And 99% of them they are useless and they are very lucky. Please, Gaddy, stop disturbing me on my messenger. I don't have time for this. Okay? I got what I was looking for. I like chick. I go and wouldn't be different. Wouldn't she be denying us? And that was the thing that I left those guys because can take a quality to go. I'm not a mumu woman. She ain't a stupid man. I know what I want. Okay? I need a man to be there for me, to protect me in any way. I am tired yours. Different. I wasn't looking for weak men. Okay? I know everybody can lie. But don't lie too much because you could be sick to deny and God cook and all these things. You could go or even push. No. Yentin yaka katur no kun kanema say no kun I want to be don't dare we are winner. Shoulder Shamlock we are command again. Alador Gorashon is closed. I closed that door. Tell wood madam barrage. Kachalwedar. It's already in and it's in for good. Put that in your head. You didn't kill in my in the telephone. Point wouldn't make a negative landing. Can I kill in? I am wow care. In the Australia, we didn't get me a tangle like that. Because I can't sleep. I didn't Toro, get telephone. Why? Please. And please. Door Gorishwa. It's already closed. I got one. And that's my last one. And that is enough. It's more than enough for me. Okay? Tiga 10-pack. Tiga 6-pack. Tiga, I'm not interested. Or go to a radiance. You will be out of care. Don't disturb me. I'm not interested. Because I got one. Okay? So please. We are negamal. We are command cooking. To be or not. Alador more is already been closed. And my advice. Can you wouldn't link a video to get a building? Don't lie to us. We don't like liar. You know, yes, I can't eat a charity, but neither can't get neither channel a link. Mutim look how I don't know one kaya. Kawaii look one kailong. Okay? We don't like to be like Viabane Kaikaine. We don't like that. To be honest. Don't lie to us. But nonsense. Come with your rubbish. Bring them on the table. Well, my dear, here the Namaka. Brano Newton. Be no care, Rabbi Nico. Be even work together. We are even work together. We are clean up. He and me and a boy gar. The old rubbish and teacher a ling. Be la when she lie deny la dia we come in check also but deny chowder chini duck because can international scam. Good night, cook man can lay scam. It could go no chalet. Chalet. She a condial be a scammed. I think one got she got a left. She water nin and mogorage. Okay? They are deny. They are not going to scam online. You need to be careful. You need to go and go to the water and show more on it. You're going to check on a check down. And you come with the birth certificate. Okay? Man can tell Dory she mannequin because they can't afford rents. Tell come she because spanking they can't afford rent. Yen Bokula we can come in. Dory single guy in this. Beautiful car sharing accommodation. We check the company in us. We are on Michigan and then we're at our gut. We got why we get a free. Meet kind of one year cage. Okay? Be careful. More on education duck. Don't just believe him straight away. You can prove. I think you're going to go to the duck. She need to kill. That's a lie. She got to take a meeting. That's the new rule. But she got to be in your mouth. That's how many people in 2 weeks with Jen. Manganga. Go. People convince. Okay? Be smart. They're so smart nowadays. Also be smart. You try scam. Romantic ngaji, kirom chew ngaji nyagdu. That's a problem. But this is scam. Scam is not good. You see, be a bit. Man kuna ni no kel ka yeshi man ni no kel ka gatka. But don't lie. Don't lie. Lie is hard to condial, yeah? But chine gatka denies. Kitchen you wouldn't you don't jog on every chine ka deny. Why be a ben ka fake document? Fake ID. Hey, shut up. Tell her shake. And then in 3 months time she go up. Why? So please. You need to know the market. Open your eyes. Should a job eyes came, what can you shake? Okay, I'm talking about those who deny their women. Shake the Shanida, shake the Terena, shake the La Bella Jor. The same thing that you could mean go and go to one to you. Shout the Shanida. They would say what kind of queen. Because go to be his scam. So can Yahoo boys and Yahoo women. So please, from today's, leave my inbox alone. I'm not interested. Okay? I'm not interested. I'm not looking for any relationship. And by God willing, your relationship don't go. What I have is more than enough. So it's more than enough. I got what I want. And that's it. We are command cooking. Don't disturb me. Imagine so sad, but you enter wallet. And I can't sleep. Like she shares your door. Burn ye wang up, burn ye wang up, burn ye wang up. And then this is a Jane order. It's really sad, in our opinion, for no reason. No, it's not by force. Okay, please stop calling me at night. Even children, why penny onion? Why disturbing me? Why? It's not good. And the world, watch it on Jason. Ngayon tadi ko wasan wo. Ngayon tadi ko America, ngayon tadi ko Canada, ngayon tadi ko Europe, ngayon tadi ko Australia. Why you call me at 1 a.m.? And when I emergency man go to work again. You should go again that 1 a.m. Don't call me at 3. Don't call me at 2. It's not good. Now what all you go learning and tell about all you because you guys ruin my night. Why? Why you guys wicked? Why you guys like so selfish? Me you're working and you call me why? One day they knew like at 1 a.m. One day they knew like at 2. Don't call me at night. If you desperately need me, leave a message. When I wake up, yeah, I will read your message. If I'm interested, and be your guy. Stop calling people at night. It's really sad. Right now, I can't wait. And that will make my day a terrible day later on because I will feel so sleepy. All because of messenger call. It's not fair. Stop. I'm going to take a different country before be your guy. Worker World Watch is on your phone, yeah? Here get daddy and tell me which it is in. And then be a good yoga. It's sweet jolly chara jack bino yat. Why? It's not good. War con gold. Kalanda and they're very different. Was in Changdarga, yeah. I talk Tiangane. Guada we got Tianga, yeah. Why would you call me at night? Why? It's not good. Please, stop calling me at night. A queer relationship. I had enough. Can't go to a show anymore. Okay? I got one, and that is it. And that's it. That's the final. Okay, don't have a hope. Hey, don't go winning. You see what I'm saying? Look. I don't even know who is calling me right now. See? Look. And someone is just calling me now. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? I'm talking about them. Now they're calling me. What kind of wahala is this? What kind of wahala is this? Imagine someone is calling me now. Yep, 2:45. 2:45 and someone is calling me. And I'm talking about it now. It's not good. Pale war ka messenger man you kill. Okay? Stop. Konya Lloyd okay? Because it become too much. Okay? Please. Door is close. I'm not looking for a relationship. And I will never look for any relationship. Then I'm low one again. Okay? Palo bia now go to me jena go re che kini bu go. Yen chiaro yar ko do. Lo je kana mo. And then we will see what she saying. She can go show. Don't be you knock. Chini bu go man. Okay? So come in there go je kono she kon man de mo wunin yin kari can of course then I yin. Mo ko na yin kar monde. Titama no kan we table then order for any god. What do you think, Conman? Ti luake wune, kashara, kalat, kanon kwani table. What do you think? They call at it. Try to get a lower contest a lot. Take a meaning. Okay? Please? But right I'm not going to please. Take a 1 hour to sleep. Don't call me. Don't call me. A word. We are like seriously. It's not good. Like messenger internet agaga. La na ko mo twaja ba Bible ba kwinten. But women, like I get used to that. And without internet, shen Bible building attending. So shen not buying because of you guys. Okay? Respect each other. Please, but right now, please take 1 hour to sleep. I beg you in the name of God or whatever you believe in. Don't call me. Okay? The same thing, Kachangda, don't just call me, boom, 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 boom. No. Kana bago tuglani, kun. And you can't put your phone on silent when you are at work. Okay? Because tang you need your phones. You're supervisor. Oh, can you come here? There's something need to be done here. Then you don't need to go to do the okay? Your school, Dulgora can call you when you are at work if there's an emergency. We can't put our phone on silent. The main thing to do, take text message. Are you free to talk? Where you know? Where you yes. Yesterday I was so pissed off. To be honest, I was at work, and it was oh my God. I was so busy yesterday on Fridays. There was this guy. But you had better cancel. And I was there in the office, and all my boss they were there. We were on the line, and I don't want to talk while everybody's there. I look so stupid. Please don't make us stupid. All because of nonsense. Guess what made them come here? And you are a jika, you go to pay me bird, or they're going to kill, this and this nonsense. They're going to kill us what? And do disturbing me. Please. We love you guys, but channel respect. Let have a respect. Channel respect. Which are called rejected. No, there are which are called rejected. But when you come, don't just boom, 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 boom. What? Channel 911 auto full 0. You call it once. Be a girl. Make your worry. But you go in a fire. Ambulance or police? Me police, key fire, key ambulance. I am with a 3 hour job. You don't call again. You have to wait for them because they're on the way. But please, I beg you, I'm on my knees. Don't call me. Okay? Do not call me at night. And when you call me at daytime and I reject your call, just know that I'm busy. And when I finish what I'm doing, I'll come back and call you. Please. I could take care of you. And then you won't take it in because the word that could out at the take a like 2 hours ago. But one in a road, it's too much. Okay, don't wake me up. Yeah, alarm they just set. And when we up and got sack me, banga malamugwa. Banga care. Don't just it's really sad. Wanna take a mal.